Hi everyone, welcome back to Quantify Your Career. So in the last video, we saw a step-by-step approach to how to start studying for quantitative finance. Today, let's see some of the books and online courses which might help you in your journey. So starting with mathematics, calculus and differential equations are the basic topics which you need to brush up on. There is a textbook called Thomas's Calculus, which might help you brush up on concepts which you had learned probably in high school. So once you've brushed up on concepts related to calculus, you might want to get deeper into how those concepts are used in the context of finance. So I recommend two textbooks by Shreve, a renowned professor from Carnegie Mellon's program called Computational Finance, which is the equivalent of Masters in Financial Engineering or Mathematical Finance. So the first textbook is called Stochastic Calculus for Finance, Part 1, where he goes a little deeper into the concepts of calculus, which are used in the context of option pricing. And he also touches a little bit on probability theory. So this is a good segue into calculus being applied in the context of finance. The second book is Part 2 by the same author, where he talks about stochastic calculus and random walk, which are used in portfolio theories and option pricing model. There are also many books on partial differential equations and ordinary differential equations, which I have listed below. By the way, you can find the entire list of books and online courses in the link provided in the description below. I've already made a video on this, so you all know my suggestion for linear algebra concepts, which is by Gilbert Strang. It has all the concepts you need to know for linear algebra, also in a simplified way. Related to probability and statistics, I have provided the list of books in the link below. And if you're new to econometrics, I would suggest the introductory book to that subject by Jeff Woolridge. And then you can move on to Green's Econometrics, which is also a great book. We all know time series analysis is used extensively in finance. So I really like the book by Say, where they cover a lot of basic concepts of time series, and especially in the context of finance. For programming, like I had mentioned, there are many languages you can learn, but you can start with Python as your basic language. So I have listed a couple of books which I like on the subject. And if you want to learn machine learning, especially in the context of finance, I really like the book by Marcos Lopez. Finally, in the context of finance, I love the book on fixed income by Frank Fabozzi, where you can learn everything related to fixed income concepts, valuation, and also for option pricing, the most famous and most used book by John Hull and Basu. In terms of miscellaneous books, I really like the book on quantitative finance by Paul Wilmot, where he has divided the book into 3 volumes. The first volume focuses on mathematics and financial basics. The second volume delves deeper into fixed income and derivatives. And finally, the third volume focuses on econometrics and numerical techniques in computational finance. Moving to online courses, of course, you can learn a lot from these online courses, but they should always be accompanied by your own study books. So in terms of calculus, the courses by MIT on single variable calculus and multivariable calculus are really good. I want to give a special shout out to 2 YouTube channels which have helped me personally understand and visualize concepts of linear algebra and econometrics, which is 3 Blue, 1 Brown on YouTube, talking about vector spaces and all concepts related to linear algebra. And they have a great visual representation to help you really understand what's going on behind the mathematics. The second YouTube channel is StatQuest, who really simplifies the concepts of econometrics and regression analysis. In terms of programming and machine learning, I've listed the courses in the description below. If you want hands-on projects, especially in terms of machine learning, I highly encourage you to check out the course on Udemy called Machine Learning A to Z. In terms of finance, although this comes in the book section, but I'm also highlighting it here, I personally referred to 2 books from CFA Level 1, specifically for concepts like capital asset pricing model and basic portfolio theory. I really liked 2 books from CFA Level 1, which cover equity investments and portfolio management. And I have also listed one course on Coursera for finance. So I hope these recommendations for books and courses will help you in your journey for quantitative finance. Although there are many books and courses which are available online, these were some of the suggestions. But please let me know if you found a book or a course in particular really helpful for you in the comments below. See you next time.